Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to keep it short and simple and help you set up your AdSuite AI tool in less than a minute. 1. First, search AdSuite AI and head to the website. 2. Click on any objective. It'll take you straight into the tool. 3. Chat with the AI chat box. Share your business concerns and a few details to help it understand your goals. If that isn't cool enough, once you're done with that, you'll be able to view all of your business details on the right side. Things like the brief, research, and small collected insights used to create a custom plan for you. 4. Then you'll get a free Google preview page with 3 versions of how your business could appear online. 5. And finally, when you're ready, you can press the process button to finally know and get started on your ads journey with us. It's 100% free to try.